Hello kids, welcome to Soaring Kids TV. Today we are going to learn letter A. This is uppercase A and this is lowercase a. A is for apple. A says a. Let's say together. A says a. Let's write letter A. Draw a slanting line down, again slanting down, and a sleeping. This is uppercase A. Now let's learn some words that start with letter A. A is for airplane. Airplane fly in the sky. A for apple. Apple red and tasty. A for alligator. Alligator lives in the water. A for ant. Ant is small and work hard. A for axe. Airplane, apple, alligator, ant and axe. बच्चों अब हम लेटर ए को फाइंड करेंगे. फाइंड द लेटर ए. क्या ये लेटर ए है? नो. नो. यस, दिस इज लेटर ए. वेरी गुड. नो. नो. यस, दिस इज लेटर ए. नो. 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 No. No. Yes, this is letter A. Yes, this is letter A. No. No. Yes, this is letter A. Great job, kids. Circle the letter A. This is letter A. तो सर्कल बनाइए बच्चों. No, 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 no. Yes. This is letter A. This is letter A. Circle the letter A. Very good. Yes. This is letter A. Great job, kids. Very good. तो बच्चों अब हम करते हैं कलर. This is red color. And this is uppercase A. That's very nice. Match the small letter. This is uppercase A and lowercase a. Very good. Uppercase B, lowercase b. Uppercase C, lowercase c. Uppercase D, lowercase d. Very good. Great job, kids. Today we learn about the letter A and its sound. Don't forget to watch our next video, letter B sound word. See you soon. Bye bye.